Everybody stands for our opening prayer. Okay, please lead the prayer.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done. Give us this day our bread, forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to test, but deliver us from evil.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
We are fine.
Good. That's good to hear. So, before you take your seat, please pick up those pieces of papers under your chair. And arrange your chairs properly. Place at the back, please keep inside. Do we have any assignments, class?
Answer.
Okay, so who is absent today?
Answer.
Very good. So, it's Thursday and I am a teacher this morning. I have here a classroom rules for you to follow. So everybody please read.
Raise your right hand if you want to answer.
Second one. Everybody read.
Sit properly.
The third one.
Respect each other.
Is our classroom rules are clear to you, class?
Yes, sir.
Now let's proceed to our behavioral chart. So what have you this behavioral chart will serve as the rate of your behavior during our class. So what have you observed in our behavioral class? Behavioral chart class. Okay, Pat.
There are two blocks there and there are balls each block there.
Next, so as you can see, there are two blocks. So that means that I will group you into two groups. So this group will be the group 1 and this side will be the group 2. So as you can see here that each block has already balls. So now let's count how many balls has the group 1 has 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So each goal, remember class that each goal is equivalent to 2 points. So that means the group 1 already have 4 times 2 is equals to
8.
good. So how about the group 2?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Times 2
8.
8. Good. So remember class that if I say that your group is cooperating and if I say that your group is following our classroom rules and cooperating with your group mates, I will add some balls. If I say that your group is not cooperating with your group mates, I will detach some balls. So is that clear to you, class?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, do you want to play a game, class?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so the name of the game is 5 Minute. So, as you can see here, I have here a TV. And inside this TV is a picture that has its missing parts. So all you have to do is to paste the missing parts, to fill the missing parts with this picture that is being pasted in the board. So again, raise your right hand if you want to answer. Okay. We need Samuel, Liza, Ario, now, what have you observed in the picture, class? Right, the baby is so now let's have an activity. So I have here two bags. What is the color of the bags, class?
Orange.
Right, so inside this orange box contains cut-out pictures, and all you have to do is to paste it, to arrange all you have to do is to arrange these cut-out pictures and choose one representative each group to present to paste here in the board. Is that clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Now, class, what have you observed in the pictures pasted in the board? Okay, Spinda?
I can see structure and I can also see your brush and her.
Dino?
I think our topic for today is all about proper hygiene.
Okay, Dino has an idea. So let's give 3 claps for Dino. Another. Unique?
I think our topic for today is about personal hygiene.
Right. Unique is right. So our topic this morning is all about our topic this morning is all about body weight.
Personal hygiene.
Do you have any idea what it is? But before we start our discussion class, let us know first our learning activities that we need to attend at the end of our lesson. So everybody read.
Identify personal hygiene. Let's plan ways to maintain personal hygiene. Give importance of practicing personal hygiene.
Is that clear to you, class?
Yes, sir.
Who among you here has an idea about what is personal hygiene all about? Okay, since there's none, for those who already know and didn't know yet, so let's find out. Everybody read.
Personal hygiene. Set up individual practices and conditions that help to maintain good health and prevent the spread of diseases.
Personal hygiene is a set of individual practices and conditions that help to maintain good health and prevent the spread of diseases. That means, class, that means that personal hygiene is a practice or is a practice that can help to maintain our body healthy and to prevent any possible diseases that can harm our body. So, in class, what is personal hygiene? Rio.
Personal hygiene is a practice by which an individual has to do in order for him to maintain or in order for him to have a healthy body.
Alright, so let's give 3 claps for the brilliant answer of Rio. Did you know, class, that there are ways to maintain personal hygiene?
Sir.
So, there are ways to maintain personal hygiene. So, first is hand washing. Everybody read.
Such easy way to prevent infection. It is a simple habit that can help you become healthy.
As we see in class, that hand washing is an easy way to prevent infection, and it is a simple habit that can help you become healthy. So that means, class, that we need to wash our hands. We need to wash our hands regularly with soap. So, because our hands touches a lot of things, and we can't avoid the fact that our hands make it dirty, and those dirts in our hands could lead could bring a lot of germs that could possibly harm us. So again, what is the washing class? Is
That is way to prevent infection. It is taking a habit that can help you in travel.
right. So 50 cups or 20. Now, if you wash your hands regularly, class?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now, the second one is
Oral care. Cleaning of the teeth, oral cavity, and dentures.
when you say, so as stated here that oral care is cleaning of the teeth, oral cavity, and dentures. So when we say oral care, it has something to do with our teeth and all parts inside our mouth. So, did you brush your teeth regularly, class?
Yes,
Very good. So now, everybody stand. Everybody stand. Now, class, this assumes that you are all Union fighters. So when I say Union fighters, show your teeth. You have to show your teeth. So you have to smile or show your teeth to teacher. Did you get it, class?
yes, sir.
So now, Union, so let's start. Union fighters, show your teeth. Okay, assure, because that's everything. Union fighters, show your teeth. Wow. Look at those
Chinese children.
You may now get your
Pokoknya fighter.
we need to class, I see that your teeth are very clean. So that means that you are following one of the ways to maintain personal hygiene, which is the oral care. So we need to brush and clean our teeth and clean our mouth regularly for us to avoid decay, cavity, and possibly a bad odor. Bad odor or bad breath. So in class, why do we need to clean our mouth and brush our teeth regularly? Okay. Let's hear an idea from Shirilan.
We need to take care of our oral in order for us to have to avoid cavity.
Alright, big claps for Shirilan. Let's hear an idea from this side. So, Roxanne. Very good. Let's give 3 million claps for Roxanne.
Congratulations.
Third one is, everybody read.
Fingernails should be short and the underside should be cleaned frequently with soap and water.
So, as the code here that trimming of fingernails should be clean short, and the other side should be clean completely with soap and water. So now, raise your hand and show the teacher your fingernails. Everybody, show the teacher your fingernails. So, right now, I see that some of your fingernails is already cut short, and the others still long. So remember, class, that we need to cut our fingernails short for us to avoid any infections, because our hands, as what I have said earlier, that it touches a lot of things, and we can't avoid the fact that our hands may get dirty, and those dirt will enter at the tip of our nails. Right. So that's why we need to cut our fingernails short. Did you get it, class?
Yes, sir.
Again, why do we need to cut our fingernails short? Inimido.
We need to cut our fingernails. We need to cut our fingernails to avoid
Right, so Iris, can you repeat the answer of inimido? Alright, so give Jollibee clap for the both of them. Remember, class, that remember that we need to cut our fingernails short. So for those fingernails that still long, you have to cut it short. Understood? Or you can tell your mother to cut it short. Last one.
washing or soaking in water or steam off all parts of
Washing or soaking in water or steam of all parts of body. So from the word itself, body, but we need to wash all parts of our body from our head down to our toes. So did you take a bath everyday, class? Alright, so that's the case. Very good. So clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Class, we need to take a bath every day for us to avoid any possible diseases or infections that could harm our body, and to prevent any bad odor. So again, why do we need to why do we need to take a bath every day, class? Okay, is there an idea from Jacqueline?
We need to take bath every day to avoid bad odor.
Right. So we need to take a bath every day to avoid bad odor. So remember, class, that you need to take a bath every day, early in the morning and not in the afternoon, because in your age, it could lead you to sickness. Did you get it, class? Yes, sir. Very good. So again, how many ways to maintain personal hygiene. Let's discuss class. Let's count. 4, 5. Right, so there are only 4. So there are only 4 ways to maintain personal hygiene that we discussed. So what are those 4 ways to maintain personal hygiene, class? Okay, but
The 4 ways to maintain personal hygiene are hand washing, cleaning of fingernails, oral care, and bathing.
right, Krisha, can you repeat the answer of what?
The 4 ways to maintain proper hygiene is oral care, cleaning fingernails, bathing, and hand washing.
Right, good. So let's give them 5 million claps.
4 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. Congratulations!
Now, did you understand our discussion, class?
Yes, sir!
Is there any questions or clarifications?
None, sir!
Good. So now, if there's none, I will be the one to ask you questions. Again, what is personal hygiene, class? Alumni. What is personal hygiene?
Personal hygiene refers to taking care of our body.
Okay, good. So let's give 3 claps for alumni. As we discussed earlier, there are 4 ways to maintain personal hygiene, class. So what are those ways? Okay, Jason.
The 4 ways of personal hygiene are hand washing, bathing, cleaning of fingernails, and hand washing. Oral care.
Right. Jemimie, can you repeat the answer of Jason?
The 4 ways to maintain our personal hygiene are oral care, cleaning our fingernails, hand washing, and bathing.
Right, so let's give Jollibee claps for the both of them. Again, what is hand washing? Is there an idea from Indes?
Hand washing teacher is the way how we properly wash our hands with soap.
Right, let's give 3 claps for Indes. How about the oral care from this side? Rosminda, what do you mean by oral care?
Oral care means washing our teeth every day to avoid cavities and also when our mouth.
Right, good. Let's give 3 claps for Rosminda. How about the cleaning of fingernails? Kuni.
Fingernails. It is to cut our fingernails to avoid infection.
Right? Kuni has a brilliant idea. Now let's give 3 claps for Kuni. And last one, Pati. From this side. Manababul.
Taking a bath, sir, we should take a bath for us to clean. We make it clean and should avoid infection.
Right, let's give 5 claps to Manababul. Okay, what are those 4 ways to maintain our personal hygiene? Everybody,
and watching oral care, training officers,
Right, so now class, what are the importance of practicing those personal ways? What are the importance of practicing those ways to maintain personal hygiene? Okay, Ambol.
the importance of practicing personal hygiene is for us to be clean and healthy our body.
Right. Kandingan, can you repeat the answer of Ambol?
It is very important to maintain personal hygiene for us to be clean our body.
Right, so let's give them 5 million claps. So class, it is very important to practice. It is very important to practice those personal, maintain those personal ways for us to avoid any possible diseases that could harm our body. Again, what? Now, did you understand our discussion class?
Yes, sir.
Now, so let's have an activity. The same group you are a while ago, I want you to list down the ways to maintain the personal hygiene. Following this rubric. So after you are answering your board, you have to choose one representative to paste it to record here in front. Did you get it, class?
Yes, sir.
So let's read our rubric first.
Correctness, 5 points. Cooperation, 5 points. Kindness, 5 points. Total of 15 points.
Alright, is that clear, class?
Yes, sir.
So you will now start your work. You are given 3 minutes to do your work. Now let's check your work. Let's start from the group 1.
Good morning, everyone. I am the reporter of Group 1. So we are tasked to list down the ways to maintain personal hygiene. So first is hand washing. Second, oral care. Third, trimming of fingernails and cutting. Thank you.
Right. This game is last for group 1. Now let's check. Washing is correct. Right here. And then so, for the food. Okay, how about the group 2?
So for the group 2, list down the ways to maintain personal hygiene. First, the oral care. Second, trimming of fingernails. And washing and bathing.
Give 3 claps for the group 2. Oral care is washing and for the group 1, for their correctness, give 5 points. For their cooperation, since I see that the group 1 are communicating with their mates, I will give them 5 points. For the timeliness, I will give them 5 points. That means that the total of, let's count. That's 5. The group 1 got 4. Now, the group 2. The correctness, I will give them 5 points. For their cooperation, since I say that there are some their group mates that are cooperating with their group, I will give them 4 points. Also, for the timeliness, since you got your work in time, I will give them 5 points. That means that group 2 got a total of 5 plus 4 plus 5 14. Group 2 got 14 points. So everybody clap your hands. Now brace yourselves as we are going to have our quiz. One pass. Are you done, class?
Yes, sir.
Alright, pass your paper forward. At the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see your eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are our papers in?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's go back to our behavioral chart. So what have you observed in the behavioral chart class? Okay. Uli. What have you observed in the behavior of child?
Another one.
Right. The group one that another one goes. What goes? Because actually the group one is following our classroom rules and we are behaving during our class. So now it's from how many balls does the group one have? Now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright. Times 2.
10.
Good. So that means that the group one that 10 along 10 points. So slap this slap or this for the group one. How about the group 2? How many balls does the group 2 have?
1, 2, 3, 4,
So a total of
8.
the group 2 got 8 points. So let's clap our hands for the group 2. Now, for your assignment, please evaluate.
Research and guess what are we
About hygiene at home.
Did you get it, class?
Yes.
Alright, so you have to submit it next meeting. So get your assignment notebook and copy your assignment. Are you done? Yes, sir. Right. So now, goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.
That's